All right, let's check on this grain. Remember, I put the grain in the pot here, and it was like all the way to the top, and I couldn't cover it up because it was so filled. Now the grain, the soda that I put in there does help to reduce the grain too. So let's see how it went. It's hot. See, the grain has reduced and it still has a lot of water in here. Look, all that grain that was all the way to the top. Now this pot, that's why I don't cook in this pot, because it gets pretty hot. I'm gonna stir this grain around. Oh, no. You didn't fall when I was cutting you. You didn't fall when I was buying you. You're in a pot, then you want to fall. You know I will not let that happen. So, see how green it is? That is this soda that I put in here. Made it green. Should I stir it around? Well, the pot was so full, there was no way to stir the grains around. So now that this grain's going down a little, I'm gonna add in my spice now. I'm gonna add in a tablespoon. You know I have some juice in here from my cardboard thing. So I'm gonna put that juice in here later on. A tablespoon of and get my anti-pepper. Two tablespoons of anti-pepper. This pepper even help to season the food because it's so seasoned, like it's well seasoned. My auntie, she got this. She knows how to do her thing. Thanks, auntie. Love your pepper sauce. Let this grain cook. People usually say we overcook our food. If you don't cook this grain well, there is no way possible you can eat it. So you are the problem. We are not. So I have all this water inside, and all this water has to dry out. And then if I need to add more oil, I can add more oil. So I'm gonna cover this up and keep this going. Who are you, baby? Eh? Now let's check on this rice. All right. I use the 2 kind of spoon for the rice. And who cares? I'm the one who eating it. Nobody else. Me and my husband. I think this rice is ready. Let's give it a taste. You know I have to taste it to prove it cooked. Oh my. The rice itself is like crazy seasoning. And I want to add in the coconut milk.
And that was it.